Bay leaves and fenugreek, while often found in the spice rack, offer a range of health benefits beyond their culinary uses. Bay leaves are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and potential to aid digestion. They may also help manage blood sugar levels and support heart health. Bay leaves and fenugreek are two culinary ingredients that also offer several health benefits. Bay leaves can help improve digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes. They can alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Fenugreek seeds are well known for their ability to lower blood sugar levels. They contain soluble fiber, which can slow down the absorption of sugar in the digestive tract. Ingredients: bay leaves, fenugreek,